Missing someone is a powerful emotion that can intensify attraction and deepen emotional bonds. But how do you create that longing in someone else? Today, we're exploring 10 psychological tricks that can make him miss you intensely. These aren't manipulative games, but rather subtle strategies rooted in human psychology. Whether you're in a new relationship or trying to rekindle an old flame, these techniques can help you stay on his mind. Let's explore these powerful methods to create a lasting impression and make him yearn for your presence. Psychology of longing. Before we go into the techniques, it's crucial to understand the psychology behind missing someone. Longing is often triggered by a combination of positive memories, unfulfilled desires, and the contrast between presence and absence. By strategically leveraging these elements, you can create a sense of longing that strengthens your connection. Remember, the goal isn't to play mind games, but to enhance your genuine connection. These techniques work best when coupled with authentic interactions and mutual respect. Let's explore how you can ethically use psychology to deepen his feelings for you. 1. Be mysteriously busy. Humans naturally value what's rare or hard to obtain. By subtly limiting your availability, you can increase your perceived value in his eyes. This doesn't mean playing hard to get or being intentionally elusive. Instead, focus on maintaining a full, engaging life outside of your relationship. Cultivate your own interests, hobbies, and friendships. When you have a rich life of your own, you naturally become less available, making the time you do spend together more precious. Share exciting snippets of your activities with him, giving him a glimpse into your world without always inviting him to be part of it. This approach creates a healthy balance where he knows you enjoy his company, but also understands that your world doesn't revolve around him. It piques his curiosity and makes him eager to be part of your exciting life, intensifying his desire to spend time with you. 2. End on a high note. People judge an experience largely based on how they felt at its most intense point and at its end. Apply this to your interactions by ensuring your time together ends on a high note. Plan activities that build up to an exciting climax, and always try to end your dates or phone calls on a positive, uplifting note. This could be as simple as sharing a heartfelt compliment or an inside joke before saying goodbye. By consistently creating positive endings, you're ensuring that his last memory of your time together is always a good one. This leaves him with a lingering positive feeling, making him eager to recreate that experience and increasing his desire to see you again. 3. Leave him wanting more. People remember uncompleted or interrupted tasks better than completed ones. You can use this to stay on his mind by occasionally leaving conversations or interactions slightly unfinished. For instance, start telling an intriguing story, but don't finish it, promising to continue next time you meet. Or bring up an interesting topic, but save the in-depth discussion for later. This creates a sense of anticipation and keeps him thinking about you, wondering about the unresolved elements of your interaction. Be careful not to overuse this technique, as it can become frustrating if overdone. The goal is to create a subtle sense of anticipation, not to leave him constantly hanging. 4. Become his favorite scent. Create strong associations between yourself and positive experiences or sensations. This can be done through shared experiences, but also through more subtle means, like a signature scent or a unique style of communication. Choose a distinctive perfume and wear it consistently when you're with him. The sense of smell is strongly linked to memory, and catching a whiff of your scent when you're not around can trigger thoughts of you. Similarly, develop a unique way of expressing affection, like a special nickname or a particular way of saying goodbye. These unique elements become strongly associated with you, triggering thoughts of you even in your absence. 5. Keep him guessing. Leverage the brain's reward system by creating patterns of intermittent reinforcement. This doesn't mean being inconsistent in your affection, but rather varying the ways you show interest and affection. Mix up your communication patterns. Sometimes send long, thoughtful messages. Other times, keep it brief and playful. Surprise him with unexpected gestures of affection, but don't make it a daily occurrence. This variability keeps him on his toes, never quite sure what to expect next. It triggers the brain's reward center, creating a sense of excitement and anticipation associated with interacting with you. 6. Show your human side. People become more likable when they make a minor mistake or show vulnerability. While it might seem counterintuitive, allowing yourself to be imperfect can actually increase his attachment to you. Share moments of mild clumsiness or embarrassment. Let him see you laugh at yourself when you mispronounce a word or trip over your own feet. This humanizes you and creates moments of endearment that he'll fondly remember. The key is to strike a balance. You want to appear human and relatable, not incompetent. Small, charming imperfections make you more memorable and can actually strengthen his feelings for you. 7. Create visual memories. Concepts are much more likely to be remembered if they are presented as pictures rather than as words. Use this to your advantage by creating strong visual memories when you're together. Wear a striking outfit on a date, or choose visually unique locations for your meetups. Take photos together in memorable settings. The goal is to create vivid visual memories that will stick in his mind long after you've parted ways. When you're not together, occasionally send him interesting or beautiful images that remind you of him or your shared experiences. This visual stimulation keeps you present in his thoughts in a powerful way. Consider creating a shared visual language between you two. This could be inside jokes represented by specific emojis, or a collection of meaningful memes that only the two of you understand. You could also start a tradition of sending each other a daily photo of something interesting you've seen. This creates a visual connection even when you're apart and gives him something to look forward to each day. Over time, these shared visual experiences become a unique part of your relationship, making your bond stronger and more memorable. 8. Get his heart racing. People often mistake the source of their physiological arousal. You can use this by engaging in exciting or adrenaline-pumping activities together. Plan dates that get his heart racing, like a roller coaster ride, a spicy food challenge, or an intense workout session. The physical arousal from these activities can be subconsciously associated with you, intensifying his feelings. Even when apart, you can trigger this effect by suggesting he try an exciting new activity and check in with him about it later. His excitement and elevated mood will become linked to his interaction with you. To enhance this effect, consider incorporating elements of surprise into your time together. Unexpected experiences trigger the release of dopamine in the brain, which is associated with pleasure and reward. This could be as simple as planning a surprise outing, or as elaborate as organizing a mystery date where he doesn't know the destination or activity until you arrive. The anticipation and excitement of these surprises will create powerful, positive associations with you. Remember, the goal is to make your time together feel vibrant and unpredictable, so he's always looking forward to what might happen next when he's with you. 9. Be his personal trendsetter. Introduce him to new concepts, experiences, or information. Share interesting facts or introduce him to a new band or artist. Once you've brought something to his attention, he's likely to notice it more often in his daily life. Each time he encounters it, he'll be reminded of you. This creates frequent, subtle reminders of you in his everyday life, keeping you present in his thoughts even when you're not actively communicating. Take this a step further by becoming a curator of experiences for him. Pay attention to his interests and preferences, then use this knowledge to introduce him to new things that align with his tastes. This could be recommending a book based on an author he likes, sharing a podcast that delves into a topic he's passionate about, or suggesting a new restaurant that puts a unique spin on his favorite cuisine. By consistently bringing value and new experiences into his life, you position yourself as not just a romantic interest, but as someone who enriches his world. This makes your presence in his life more significant and memorable, increasing the likelihood that he'll miss you when you're not around. 10. Master the art of absence. Sometimes the most effective way to make someone miss you is to create a noticeable absence. This doesn't mean disappearing without explanation, but rather periodically stepping back to allow space in the relationship. Take a weekend trip with friends, or immerse yourself in a project that requires your full attention for a few days. This temporary distance can make him realize how much he values your presence in his daily life. When you return, share your experiences enthusiastically. This not only gives you new things to talk about, but also reinforces that you have a fulfilling life outside of the relationship. The key is to strike a balance, create enough space to be missed, but not so much that he feels neglected or disconnected. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.